Okay, say Hannah.
Mama,
Say Mama.
Mama,
Say Dada.
Dada,
Daddy.
Daddy,
Say Vava.
Papa,
Say Nai Nai.
Nana,
Say Yeah.
Yaya,
Say Papa.
Papa,
Say Gong Gong.
Didi,
Say John.
Sa,
Say Sarah.
Sarah,
Oh yeah. Say Aaron.
Didi,
Say Aaron.
Ali,
Say soups. Soups.
Yup,
Say Dan. Say Dan. Say Emily.
Amiri,
Say Lucas.
Didi,
Say Lucas. Who else do we have?
Say Mel.
Now,
You say Nikolai.
Daddy,
Say Nikolai.
Daddy,
Say Gary.
Daddy,
Say Becca.
Dada,
Who else
else is
out
there?
there? Say Theo.
Daddy,
Say Tia.
Dada,
Tito.
Dada,
Tita.
Say Chio.
Chiu.
Or Chiu.
Chiu.
Dudu,
Chia.
Dada,
Say Hannah.
Ada,
Bethany.
Daddy,
Bethany.
Daddy,
Bethany.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Hi.
Do you have anything else to say?
Can you say Jen?
yeah,
You like your Auntie Jen.
Can you say Dave?
Oh, how about this one? Say Silas.
Daddy,
Say hi, Silas.
Daddy,
How about Abby?
happy,
And Josiah?
yeah,
Yeah. Aaliyah.
yeah,
How about Tatu?
Daddy,
Who else? Say Uncle Jason.
Daddy,
And Auntie Aileen.
Daddy,
I don't know.
You could say Matt.
Yeah,
Who else?
that's it. We're coming on the 3-minute mark.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Oh, so okay. Say Jesus.
Jesus. Jesus.
That's the
Say,
most important one.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you
I love you.
all.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
From
Bye.
Hannah,
Yeah.
Bethany,
Bye.
Chia. Out.
Up.